Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever had your Tesla, Volkswagen or Toyota's screen freeze, glitch out or just completely stop working? Most people rush straight to the dealer and end up paying $150 to $800 for something you could fix yourself in just a few minutes. Today, I'm going to show you super simple DIY tricks to reboot your system, fix Bluetooth issues, update software, and save a ton of money while you're at it. Trust me, it's way easier than you think. Let's get right into it. All right, let's take it even further. I'll add detailed cost-benefit analysis for fixing infotainment issues yourself versus going to the service center for Tesla, Volkswagen, and Toyota cars. This will help you clearly see when it's worth DIY fixing versus when it's smarter or safer to pay. Fixing infotainment issues yourself or DIY. Benefits, cost savings. You can save $150 to $800 depending on the brand and issue by fixing simple problems like reboots, updates, or Bluetooth errors. Time savings. No waiting days for dealer appointments. Many fixes take under 10 minutes at home. Avoid unnecessary replacements. Dealers sometimes replace the whole infotainment unit even for small glitches, which could be a $2,000 job that you could have solved with a reboot. Learn your car better. You'll be better prepared for future issues, especially if your warranty expires. Typical DIY costs. Reboot system $0, only need your hands. Software update via Wi-Fi, $0 for Tesla, and some Volkswagen models might require home Wi-Fi. Update via USB, $10 for a good quality USB stick needed for Volkswagen and Toyota map updates. Replace bad cable for CarPlay. $15 to $30 for an anchor or Belkin cable, fixes 90% of CarPlay disconnects. Phone cache cleanup, $0, just clear apps and Bluetooth on your smartphone. DIY risks. Accidentally factory reset settings. Risk of partial updates if battery is too low, especially in Tesla. Some hidden warranty issues could get complicated if you tinker too much, though this is rare. Professional repair or dealer visit. Costs at a service center, Tesla. Diagnostic fee is $150. Screen replacement ranges from $1,400 to $2,000 for MCU units. Volkswagen infotainment diagnostic fee is $120 to $180. Screen or software replacement is $1,200 or more. Toyota diagnostic fee is $100 to $150. Entune module replacement ranges from $900 to $1,300. Example cost scenarios. Soft reboot for frozen screen $0 or $120 and up, as dealers charge diagnostic even if it's a simple reboot. Bluetooth repairing $0 or $100 to $150, wasted money if you can fix it in 5 minutes yourself. Software update $0 via Wi-Fi or $10 via USB, while dealer charges $100 or more for labor. Some Volkswagen and Toyota updates are free via USB DIY, full screen replacement due to hardware failure, not DIY, $1,200 to $2,000 dealer required. Expensive, but sometimes warranty covers it. CarPlay connection issue due to a bad cable, $15 to $30 for a new cable or $120 and up for dealer diagnosis plus a no problem found fee. This is a very common issue. Let's take a look at some real-world examples, starting with Tesla. The problem, the MCU touchscreen becomes unresponsive after an update. Now for a DIY fix, you can perform a scroll wheel reboot, which costs nothing at all. But if you head to the dealer, Tesla would charge you $150 just for diagnostics, even if all they do is reboot the system. So you save a minimum of $150 by doing it yourself. Moving on to Volkswagen. Specifically, the MIB3 system in the 2021 Golf Mach 8. The issue here is that the system freezes intermittently, which is quite a common problem. For a DIY fix, you can reboot using the power button and perform a USB software update costing you around $10. On the other hand, if you go to the dealer, Volkswagen may charge you $180 for diagnostics and an additional $100 to install the software. In total, you save around $270 by handling it yourself. Lastly, let's talk about Toyota. The problem here involves the Entune app crashing and the navigation system freezing. To fix it yourself, you can clear the app cache and manually update Entune via the phone app, which is completely free. However, if you take it to the dealer, you're likely looking at a $100 diagnostic fee plus any attempts they make to reset the system. So, you save at least $100 by taking the DIY route. Let's talk warranty considerations, shall we? For Tesla, you get a basic warranty of 4 years or 50,000 miles. But be aware, screen issues outside the warranty can be quite expensive, although it's worth noting that older MCU1 screens were recalled. Moving on to Volkswagen, they offer a bumper-to-bumper warranty for 4 years or 50,000 miles. Some MIB3 defects are repaired for free, especially if they are software faults. As for Toyota, they provide a 3-year or 36,000 miles warranty. The coverage for infotainment hardware is limited, but sometimes it can be extended if the issue is part of a known recall or service bulletin. Here's a pro tip for you. If your issue is hardware related, like a cracked screen or a dead touchscreen, don't try to fix it yourself. Go straight to the warranty or service. But if it's a software problem like freezing, lag, or a Bluetooth bug, you might want to try a DIY fix first. Hidden DIY tricks that save big money. Use mobile hotspot or Wi-Fi to grab updates yourself for brands like Tesla and VW. This can save you over $100. No dealer needed. Carry a backup USB-C or Lightning cable. This simple trick, costing around $15 to $30, can solve CarPlay issues cheaply, potentially saving you over $100. Update Entune apps manually every 3 months. For Toyota users, this can also save over $100 and fix bugs and lag. Reboot after every major software update to prevent dealer visits and stop bugs before they cause issues. Final verdict. For a frozen screen, try a DIY reboot first. Bluetooth pairing issues, DIY first. Update software yourself unless a dealer update is warranty required. For a dead screen or hardware failure, see a dealer or use your warranty. If you experience random reboots after DIY fix attempts, it might indicate a deeper issue, so visit a dealer. Typical savings if you DIY range from $150 to $800 per incident, depending on the brand and problem. Quick cost-benefit summary. Rebooting costs $0, but a dealer may charge $120 to $180. Updating the system yourself costs $0 to $10. Whereas a dealer might charge $100 to $300. Fixing Bluetooth issues yourself costs nothing, but a dealer could charge over $100. Solving CarPlay issues yourself costs $15 to $30, compared to a dealer's charge of $120 or more. Performing a factory reset yourself costs nothing, while a dealer may charge over $150. In conclusion, 95% of infotainment issues, especially freezing, lagging, and Bluetooth bugs, are easy DIY fixes with almost zero cost. Only 5%, like hardware failure, truly require professional repair. The average DIY time is 5 to 30 minutes, and the average DIY savings range from $150 to $800 per issue. Would you also like me to create a printable DIY checklist you can keep in your car? Or a custom flowchart like, if this happens, do this. If still broken, next step. Could be super handy. Want me to? Which car model are you focusing on first? Tesla, VW, or Toyota? I can tailor even tighter steps if I know.